Hi, my name is Yunus from Green Electro Heating, and today I will show you how to open the case for a Vaillant heat pump 7 kilowatts. All heat pumps have the same principle. So you have a screw here on this side. We remove this. Then you have another screw here on this side, which you remove. Obviously you need a screwdriver. So then we remove the top lid. On the front side, you have two screws on this, and you have two screws on the side here. Then the way to open the case is by lifting. Lift the side, the front, then you lift the side. And this is the way how you get access to the heat pump.